Hey guys, so today is the big day. So I got the mister with me. This is the first time coming to the one of the appointments, so it's first time him hearing the heartbeat and all that good stuff. So yeah, and I'm definitely gonna be filming while we're doing all of that. And when we come back, we're gonna do a quick gender reveal for you guys, and I'll be using these little onesies here for that. Just something really quick for you guys. So my appointment is at 11:30 and it's a little bit after 11 o'clock, so we're about to leave now so we can be on time. And yep, so see you guys when we get in there. Ready, Dad?
Sure am.
Here we go. Oh, is this? Okay, we're going to make right here. Alright, so we're back to do the gender reveal. We just came from the doctor's appointment. Unfortunately, I couldn't film while I was in there and getting the ultrasound. I really thought I was going to be able to, but didn't work out that way. So we're not going to hold you guys in suspense any longer. I bought these little onesies here for the gender reveal. We're each gonna hold one and count to 3, and then we're gonna hold up the one that's the gender of our baby. So simple enough. All right, so you ready?
Okay. Yeah, let's do this.
All right. Oh, wait a minute. I said I was going. Oh yeah, you. Okay. I'm just already messing up what I said. 1, 2, 3. You gotta hold it up. We're having a girl. There it is. That's what even down. Even it down now.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, so we're really excited. I really wanted a girl. He already has 2 boys, so we really wanted to have a girl to round everything out. I'm really excited about it. When she told us at the ultrasound, I got emotional. I actually cried. I didn't think I was going to, but like, yeah, I was crying because I couldn't believe it. Because it's a little bit deeper than just having a girl. It's, I think I mentioned in a video maybe a year or 2 ago that my cousin that I was really close to passed. She had just had a baby girl, and growing up, we always wanted our kids to grow up together and be best friends like we were. So it just means a lot that I'm gonna have a girl, and that hopefully she can have that relationship with her cousin, her daughter. And also, when I told my aunt that I was pregnant, she told me that she had a dream that my cousin told her I was gonna be having a baby, and I didn't even tell her yet. So it's just like, she knew I was gonna be having a baby girl, so it just means a lot that we actually are. So we're really excited about it, that you guys are on this journey with us, and we can't wait to share more moments leading up to the pregnancy, leading up to the delivery, and just everything else after. So you want anything to say?
I don't have too much. I'm excited, and I have a gun now. I gotta buy a bigger gun. You know, so yeah. We're excited about this, and it's gonna be a big change in our life.
Yep.
And we're gonna go through it. I might have to get a second job. I'm spoiled her to death.
So. Be spoiled. Yep.
Other than that.
Yep. Well, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and yeah, just leave your comments below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.